What is the value of feed rate in water jet machining? A 0.00010 0.025 m min. B 0.050.25 m min. C 0.5200 m min. D 200-500 m min. The correct answer is 0.5200 m min. In WJM, what are the properties of jet fluid that affect the MRR? A. Velocity. B. Flow rate. C. Viscosity. D. All of the mentioned. The correct answer is all of the mentioned. Which of the following properties of nozzle does not affect the material removal rate in water jet machining? A. Material. B. Diameter. C. Outside temperature. D. Standoff distance. The correct answer is outside temperature.